So back Blader side and Blader
way.
we're gonna do Beyblade.
Unboxing.
Please hit the red subscribe button and please
Hit the like button.
start the Beyblade.
Unboxing.
Hi guys, you have Beyblade Burst. Beyblade Burst.
GT.
Onion Achilles. TD
Brand.
B1
B1.
15. The side of the box. The side of the box. The horn of the box. This is Iger. And the back of the box. His layer. His this and his driver.
He's not.
This is not his real parts. This is like a combo, guys. See that? This is like a combo. Let's unbox it. Oh, guys, here is the bay. Oh,
No, the
guys,
bay.
we got a launcher. We got the ripcord. We got ripcord, the launcher.
The bay.
The bay.
The bay, guys.
The bay. Oh, already fixed. Oh, got defense armor or attack. I don't know.
I don't know.
Let's combine it. It's tight or not tight.
Oh.
And the sticker. It's too hard. These are from Venom.Guru and this is from Z Achilles. It's like combo.
Yeah. Oh. It's not too
tight.
tight.
But it's okay. Let's test spin. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's good, guys. It's
No,
good.
it's good.
Yeah. It's not ugly. But it's okay. Let's test battle. Onion Achilles versus Genesis Balpec. Let's battle them.
3,
2, 1,
1,
let it go. Begin by Genesis Balpec first.
Oh.
Ow! No way, guys. Onion Achilles burst. Genesis Valkyrie. Onion Achilles get 1, 2, 2 click. But Genesis Valkyrie is burst. Let's try again. And 3.
Try again. 3,
He's bursting, guys. It's bursting.
3,
3, 2, 1. Let it go. Oh! Burst again.
Launch in.
And first hit by Onion Achilles. He burst. He burst Genesis Valkyrie again. Why are you losing Genesis Valkyrie?
I'm gonna change this type.
Who's gonna change to be a defense type? And 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Oh! The frame, guys, came out. We're sorry, guys. He dropped his bay. He dropped the Onion Achilles bay. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh! We get by Onion Achilles. Oh! The frame. Ow! The frame hit again. Guys. It's like Revive Phoenix. The frame come out. Let's change the opponent to be. We get this from Random Booster, guys. You should check out our video. We get this from another Random Booster, Takaratomi. Dragon Victory versus
1 click, guys, to the
Onion Achilles. Let's battle them. His left.
It's right.
In 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Oh.
It's gonna win. It's wobbly.
Oh.
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 Ow! No way, guys. This is not Takaratomi, but the Takaratomi Beyblade. We're gonna do, guys, the last Beyblade battle bonus round. It's gonna think you win in the last Beyblade battle bonus round. Oh, Onion Achilles got 1 click, but Dragon Victory get burst. Who's gonna win in the last bonus round? Dragon Victory or
Onion Achilles.
In the last
Last
round, he's
round.
gonna think you win. In 3,
3,
2, 1, let's go.
Oh.
Oh, big hit. Oh, big hit. Ow, big hit by the Dragoon Victory. Ow! No way, guys! Onion Achilles is awesome. Onion Achilles got no flicks. Got Dragoon Victory. Got burst. In the last round, Onion Achilles win. And this is the end of our unboxing, guys. And again, please hit the red subscribe button. And please hit the like button. And keep safe. And thanks for watching. Bye!